Kani ketika Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubur baman kasni, balwan rasha pi dak orange Nissan, lom so po niya fabricate Shillong.
Katnat jong ke Ministry of Defence jong ke Sarkar India kala menjor ban ai khat ar point 100% eka ke jaka ke barang hab apo usam jong ki bosipai ki baran haril bong na ke benta ke jingtmu jong ke Sarkar jela ban snapen he ya ke surok ba National Highway 40 ke ba penyeso nadu kanong ba Shillong ter shadu dauki ya ke ni ke surok labai tingka ha ke jinglot ke bankot iway point arsan iway klor tingka lengba ke Japan International Cooperation Agency bat ya kaba onsa pentrai daka National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited. Katkum ke jingtmu jong ke Sarkar kani ke projek ke bo thongro bantai thma ya ke jingkeng hawa umngon ke beran markhap bat ke khapot jong kari Bangladesh. Katkum ke jingpen kre ya ke details project report nadu sharpi hadu nyomer apar Shillong onsna daka surok 4 lane ban persok ya kelet kawan jong ki paitba katban nadu nang ne shakmat ter hadu bandapoi hadauki Tamabel on snapat daka surok ke ba airline ne ke tulen. Kajing bamla baru sikata ban sedang pentrai no igni projek kadai na marba kane ka hab ban sam lingba ke cloud jong katnat forest bat dia ke jaka jong kisipai.
I'm so happy to inform to all of you that the defense line with that proposed 4 lane from Sherpi up to Banyan, up to Shillong, the Defence Ministry has agreed to part land to the Ministry of Road Transport. The total project cost, because when you talk about the total project cost up to Dauki, up to Tamabil, a number of components are there. Land acquisition is there. One is land acquisition, and then the cost of bridges. Okay, and then the cost of dismantling, shifting, everything has to be incorporated in the DPR. So I am yet to know that exactly what is the total cost, okay, of this project. But I think very soon we will be able to tell you.
So this is for the Shillong Tamabil Road.
This is Shillong Tamabil Road. Shillong Tamabil Road, which comprises to 3 stages. The first stage is from Sherpi, from that Railbong junction, up to 7 mile. It is converted into 4 lanes, and then beyond that, up to Dauki, it is a standard double lane.